Well, right now we're a little ahead of schedule. We've got all the earthwork done. We've got about a little over half of the building structure up. Got very few of the wells dug. That's the biggest thing right now. We got to get the wells done, and we're starting to brick the building. We hadn't quite got to the point where we can put the roof on it yet, but we're intending to start that and probably in another 6 weeks. Big thing was raising the sewer lines so that we could go ahead and get the other footers in. So we're going to start putting the other part of the building in now. We still have, like I say, about a third of the building left to do as far as footers.
Yeah. Everybody's so high up.
Yeah. Excuse me, what's your name? She took the pictures when I said that night. I wanted to let her know.
What's it been like to watch this building go up?
It's been amazing. It's a big school, probably the biggest I've built. Most of the schools have been renovations, other than Cedar Bluff. Nothing's been in comparison to this. The amount of dirt we had to move was pretty massive when you think moving 100-something thousand cubic yards of dirt. Oh, it'd be just like West Valley, where I stood there and took the picture of the first 2 kids going in. We'll do the same thing here.